the difference in 1 month. I'm doing this for Nathan and Pat. Show you the difference. Bobby. Here's what you guys missed in a month. Look at this place. Every day it's like this now. Just want to show you what a difference. Wearing a jacket, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's like 50 degrees. Mom and Dad, I'm going to show you this video too, but this is why we love this place. We just got back from a ride, we're soaking wet, but we had a great time. Went up into the mountains. Why this place is so wonderful. It's freezing right now. It's in the middle of the afternoon. Everything's green, fresh, smells wonderful. The new deck's doing pretty good too. We got all the vents open, it's nice and cool.